welcome to this YouTube channel. How are you all doing? So I have come up with today's video to discuss about the worst branch to pursue post MBBS. That is for your MD, MS or DNB diploma or whatever postgrad courses that you're doing, and what could be the worst possible branch to choose for that. First of all, before starting that, I would like to ask you a question. What is worst branch in terms for you? A particular branch that becomes the most disliked one. For some people, while this is not the case for some people, right? So a particular branch can vary that ways. What are the categories that matter, and what are the deciding factors, I would say. So indirectly, what I want to point out here is, what is that something that intrigues you to see patients, and something like that कि उसके लिए रात के 3 बजे भी आपके पास कॉल आ रहा है. You would go there out of your passion and not because you're getting paid or you feel like there's a burden of responsibility कि जाना ही जाना है. If that is the case for any particular branch, कि if you are amazed by children, go for pediatrics. If you are amazed by surgery, then look for surgical options. Choose your branch like that, and not something if you've got a great rank, then obviously you have to opt for derma or radiology. That should not be the case. The place doesn't matter, even the degree doesn't matter, but what matters is the branch that you are choosing. Right, you can do MD, MS, DNB diploma in whatever branch you like. But make sure you are doing the branch of your interest and not just following it for the sake of you're getting a good college. For example, you're getting anesthesia in the topmost college. Do not go for it if you do not want to pursue anesthesia like that. So this is just an example which I gave you, but my whole crux of this is there's no particular branch as the worst branch, I would say. The worst branch or the best branch, that is a category which you have to decide for yourself and not to follow somebody else's opinion. For example, a branch like microbiology or biochemistry can be something which intrigues a particular category of people. But that does not mean if they have got great ranks, they have to go for derma or radio only. That should not be the case. There's numerous opportunities and a whole lot of scope in each and every branch. So choose wisely and accordingly as to what is something that will keep you going throughout this life, and not just for the 3 years for the sake of name of any particular institution or hospital. Do not go that way. See what is inside you, and I would clarify you again, there's no particular branch as worst branch. In general, it depends upon your views, upon your interests only. Thank you.